Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Keroy King here, author of Divine Soul Whispers. Yes, and Wisdom Nuggets for the Soul. Oh, do I have a copy here? Let me see. Divine Soul Whispers. Ta-da! Wisdom Nuggets for the Soul. All right. Yeah, so let's see. What can I read you today? Oh, yeah, I wanted to read you poem 41. Love truly a misunderstood goddess. We all search for her in all lifetimes. Love so close yet so far can be felt, seen, touched, and tested, yet unexplainable. Love emerges like a bird breaking ground without all the harshness, withstanding all the harshness of the environment, yet able to thrive. That's love, right? Love remains a consuming fire of hearts, transforming everything she touches as a catalyst for a life well lived. Love builds from ashes, rebuilds kingdom, bonds generations, not afraid to shine light in the darkest places, trigger healing of nations and the people at large. Where love resides, nothing will ever be the same again. I know you can all vouch for that, right? Love is guaranteed to grow, nurture hearts of men and women without judgment. Love will attach yet command detachment, give without sacrifice. Like glue, she will bond generations with the ability to forgive unfathomable acts of human condition. Love is freedom with wisdom of responsibility. Love is at the center of all things, carved by all, craved by all, longed by all we are and all in all. Love truly a misunderstood goddess. Yeah, we've defined love in all amazing ways, but whichever way you understand love, it's okay. It's the right way for you if you choose to. But remember, it has a power and a strength that is beyond our human comprehension. So, whatever you think love is, continue magnifying it because it grows and evolves and it turns into big and better things than we can ever imagine. As always, this is Keroy, Divine Soul Whispers, your author. Talk to you soon. Bye.